Want to learn how I achieved the siren eye? Then keep on watching. Starting off with the siren eye, I did my brow off camera, and this is my bare face, and this is how my eye is looking currently. To prime my lids, I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumors 04 to prime my lids, and I'm blending that all the way over on my lids. And next I'm gonna use a powder to set, because we don't want any creasing for this look. And I'm also using the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm using a shade similar to my skin tone for my transition, and I'm blending that in and out to give it like a wing. To create a defined wing, I'm gonna use this flat small eyeshadow brush, using this brush to pack the black eyeshadow. And I'm gonna place the black eyeshadow close to my lash line, and I'm winging it out. I'm using it to create like a wing liner, gently placing that before smoking it out. I'm not packing much of the black eyeshadow product because you don't want to put a lot of black eyeshadow product for your first application. When I get the exact wing I want, I'm gonna smoke it out, and if there is need to add more eyeshadow, I go back into the palette to add more eyeshadows. Continuously smoke that till I'm satisfied with the result. This is how my eye is currently looking like, and a lot of persons use liner first before going in with the shadow, but for me it's easier for me to use an eyeshadow to make other corrections before using a liner. And for this, I'm also using a gel liner to create like a more defined look. I'm tracing where we just place the eyeshadow and just winging out my liner. When doing this look, make sure to follow and measure your eye shape, and also measure your other eye, so both wings are the same and none is longer than the other, or none is bigger or fatter than the other. Next, I'm using a brown eyeshadow just to smudge it out so the liner doesn't look too vibrant, and this is optional, but I don't want the eye to look really smoky because this is not a smoky eye we're going for. I'm also going to measure or place that over on the liner just to diffuse the liner a little bit. And for my inner corner, I'm also gonna be using the same gel liner we used earlier, but I'm using a pencil brush to define or to create like a wing for my inner corner. So I'm just creating like a triangle or like a V in my inner corner. And when I'm satisfied with that, I'm also gonna be using a mascara. I'm using a mascara to coat my lashes, and I'm coating it towards where we placed the wing. I'm coating it out to give me like a wispy eye look effect, if that makes sense. So this is how we're currently looking like. I went off camera to apply some falsies, and I used a wispy lashes. I think these lashes are quite long, they're quite lengthy, but you can decide to use something a bit shorter, but wispy lashes would accentuate this look more. So this is how we're currently looking like without any skin makeup. And then for the skin work, I'm gonna be using a primer to apply in the areas of my face where I need to prime or where I produce oil. And for foundation today, I'm using an oldie but goodie. This is the NYS Can't Stop Won't Stop. It's been long I use this foundation, and to blend this foundation out, I'm using a flat foundation brush and going over with a buffing brush to kind of blend everything out together. And then for my concealer, I'm placing the concealer in the areas I would want to highlight, and I'm using this concealer from Milani. This is the Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This is full coverage. I go in to blend the other areas of my face. As when it comes to my eyes or where we have the liner, I'm making sure to use the concealer to clean the liner, because I actually did not use concealer to clean the liner so that it would give me the sharp end or the sharp edges which we want, and we want like a lifting or want like an eye lifting for this look. So that is what we're going for, and I'm precisely doing that because any slight mistake I would clean up the liner or clean up the look we just did or clean up our eye look, and we don't want that. And I'm using a cream blush also to place in the areas where I would place my blush, and I'm also blending it upwards towards my temple. And I go over to set my under eye using a finishing powder similar to the concealer we used. And then next for contour, I'm using this trio palette we created. This is the DIY palette actually, to contour the areas of my face to give more definition. We're not done with the eye look, so we're gonna go in with a brown eyeshadow for the under eye to diffuse or to blend our under eye. To define the inner corner wing, I'm gonna use a gel liner to wing out my inner corner, creating like a V in my inner corner, and I'm drawing the liner a bit out. If you're gonna do the siren eye, have it at the back of your mind that this look is kind of similar to the foxy eye look. I'm gonna apply the liner to connect to my lower lashes as well, using the same black liner to draw on my waterline. That's it for the eye look. I'm just trying to give more precision for my inner corner, nothing serious. For highlighter, I went in with a Tehila highlight palette. To line my lip, I'm using a brown liner, and that's it for this video. This is the look, and yo, I love this look. I'm feeling myself. Yo, look at my eyes, look at how we're looking. This is a really beautiful look. Do let me know in the comment section down below what you love about this look or what you like about this look, and if you're gonna be trying this look, let me know in the comment section down below as well. The ice is giving, baby. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed already. Turn on your post notification, and also check out my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.